Hello student, let me start the remaining example of exercise 5.6. Let us see here. Question number 4. Integral x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx. See the solution. Let I is equal to integral x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx. We have to see the questions here. It is not solved directly. We have to adjust the numerator term by using the denominator here. In a numerator we have to given here x square plus x minus 1 and denominator x square plus x minus 6. We should adjust here in a numerator, that is x square plus x minus 6 here, but in a numerator given x square plus x minus 1, if we are adjusting their numerator value does not change, it remains as it is here. Then we have to want here minus 1, that is a given here x square plus x minus 4, that means you have to want here minus 1, and we have to adjust here minus 6, that we have to take here plus 5 here, that means minus 6 plus 5, that is equal to minus 1 here. We have to adjust the numerator. Upon denominator it is as it is x square plus x minus 6 here. This we have to adjust in the numerator term. After that, integral x square plus x minus 6 take in one bracket plus 5 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx here. Then we have to separate the integral. We have to take one bracket, that is x square plus x minus 6 one side here, and separate the denominator also here, x square plus x minus 6 dx. That means the integral is x square plus x minus 6 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx, plus we take the 5 this one, plus integral 5 upon denominator is x square plus x minus 6 dx here. Then this term will be cancelled. X square plus x minus 6 upon x square plus x minus 6 get cancel, remaining integral 1 dx plus 5 upon the roots of this one, x square plus x minus 6 here. Product is minus 6 and the sum is plus 1, that is a 2. Their numbers are plus 3 minus 2 here, that is 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 here. This we have to, that means the roots are x plus 3 x minus 2 here, that is a x plus 3 x minus 2. That is integration of 1 dx is x plus integral 5 upon x plus 3 x minus 2 dx. Then we have to solve this integral here, that is we have to consider here I is equal to I1 plus I2, that is equation number 1 here. Then we have to take the I2 integral 5 dx upon x plus 3 x minus 2 dx here. Okay, this is in a rational form. We have to take convert into the partial form here, that is consider 5 upon x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 3 plus b upon x minus 2. In cross multiplication, that is a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3 upon x plus 3 into x minus 2. Both sides we have to this term get cancel here, and the remaining here it is 5 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3 here. Then we have to putting the first, we have to given here a upon x plus 3, that means equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0, that is a put here x minus 3 is x is equal to minus 3 here, putting x is equal to minus 3 in above equation here, that is 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 2, that is a into minus 3 minus 2 here, and plus b minus 3 plus 3 is 0 here. that is minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. That means 5 is equal to minus 5a here. This minus 5 shifting that side, that is a 5 upon minus 5, and 5 upon minus 5, 5 get cancelled, answer become minus 1. That means the value of a is equal to minus 1. Same way we have to putting here, after that x minus 2, that means putting x is equal to 2 here. That is 5 is equal to a into 2 minus 2 is 0. That means this complete term will be 0 here, plus b into 2 plus 3 is 5. That means equation become 5 is equal to 5b, and this 5 get cancel both side here, because 5 shifting that side, that is divide, that means value of b is equal to 1 here. Then substitute this a and b in this equation, that becomes, therefore, that is here 5 is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 3, because value of a is x plus 3, plus 1 upon x minus 2. We have to correct here, you have written here 1, correct is 5 here. 5 upon x plus 3, x minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 2 here. Then the integral form is integration bracket minus 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Then I2 is equal to, separate the integration, integral 1 upon x minus 2 dx plus into minus this term shifting that side, that is minus 1 upon x plus 3 dx here. Then I2 is equal to log of 1 upon x minus 2 is log of mod of x minus 2 minus integral 1 upon x plus 3 log of mod of x plus 3 plus c. That is equal to, we are to applying log a minus log b is, that is a log of a minus log b, that is equal to log of a upon b. This property we have to apply here, that is log of x minus 2 minus log of x plus 3, that is equal to log of mod of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c here, applying the log a minus log b, that is equal to log of a plus b. This is the value of I2. Then substitute this I2 in equation 1, we get, that is I1, equation 1 is I1 plus I2, and you know the value of I1 is equal to x and I2 is equal to this one here. Then substitute here I2, that is I1 plus I2, that is x plus log of mod of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. This we have to solving the equation here. That means integral x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx, the answer becomes x plus log of mod of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. This you have to solving the question here. Next question, question number 5. Let us see here how we have to solve the question number 5. Let us see here, integral 1 upon x into x square plus 1, sorry, 1 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. Let us see the solution. Let I is equal to integral 1 upon x into x raised to 5 plus 1 dx. See this question, it is not possible to solve directly here, or we have to converting to rational form into partial form, not possible here. Then we have to adjust the numerator here, want the numerator term here, that is in denominator here x into x raised to 5, that is we have to multiply and divide by 5x raised to 4 here, that is 5x raised to 4 upon 5x raised to 4 into x, and then remaining here x raised to 5 plus 1 here. Then this term 5x raised to 4 into x, that is a 5x raised to 5, and then integral becomes 5x raised to 4 upon 5x raised to 5 into x raised to 5 plus 1. That means if you any term we have to adjust here, original term does not change here. Okay, that means if you this will cancel, remaining term here as it is here, this we have to adjust here. Okay, after that we have to put here x raised to 5 is equal to t here, this one x raised to 5 is equal to t, and you have to differentiate this one, and you know the derivative of x raised to n, x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1 here, then x raised to 4 is, sorry, x raised to 5 is 5, x raised to 5 minus 1 is 4 here, this we have to 5 x raised to 4 dx, that is equal to derivative of t is dt here. That means this term becomes 5 x raised to 4 dx, that is equal to dt. Then substitute this value in a given integration, that is integral becomes 1 upon 5, because here 1 upon 5 is here, outside the integral 1 upon 5 integral 1 upon t, because we have to put here x raised to 5 is equal to t, and then x raised to 5 plus 1, this x raised to 5 is t and plus 1, that is 1 upon t into t plus 1 dt here. Then we have to consider here 1 upon t into t plus 1, that is a rational form, and we have to convert into the partial form, that is a upon t plus b upon t plus 1, and then this equation becomes, after cross multiplication, 1 is equal to a into t plus 1 plus b into t. Let us we say that let us we see how we have to find the value of a and b here. See this, first a upon t, then that means value of t is equal to 0, put this t is equal to 0, substitute in this equation, that is a is equal to a into t plus 1, that means 0 plus 1, that is 1, that is a is equal to 1 into a, that is a is equal to 1, and b into 0 is 0, that means value of a is equal to 1 here. And then after that b is equal to, sorry, b upon t plus 1, that means t plus 1, that is t is equal to minus 1 here. If you substitute the minus 1 plus 1, 0 here, plus b into minus 1, 0 plus b into minus 1 is minus b, that means 1 is equal to minus b, b is equal to minus 1. This we have to find the value of a and b, that is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Then putting the a and b in this equation, that is equation becomes 1 upon t into t plus 1 is equal to 1 upon t plus minus 1 upon t plus 1, that is substituting the value of a and b here. Then new integral form is, therefore I is equal to 1 upon 5, this as it is here, integral, then bracket 1 upon t and plus minus 1 into t plus 1 dt. Then separate the integral, 1 5 is a constant, in bracket integral 1 upon t dt minus integral 1 upon t plus 1 dt here. Then find the integration, this 1 upon 5 is constant as it is here, integral 1 upon t is log of mod of t minus integral t plus 1 upon t plus 1 is log of mod of t plus 1 plus c. Then we have to applying the logarithm property, log a minus log b, that is log of a upon b here, that is means 1 by 5 log of mod of t upon t plus 1 here. Then we have to resubstituting the value of t here, already we have to substitute x raised to 5 is equal to t, that means t is equal to x raised to 5 and t plus 1, that means x raised to 5 plus 1 here, substitute here, that is I is equal to 1 by 5 log of x raised mod of x raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c here. This we have to solving the question here, that is integral 1 upon x into bracket x raised to 5 plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 5 log of mod of x raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 plus 1 plus c. Let us see next question, question number 6. Integral 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x cube plus 2x square plus x dx. See the solution. I is equal to integral 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x cube plus 2x square plus x dx. See the question here. Here factor is not find directly here. That means we have to first adjust the term, or you have to first take the common from the denominator here. That is I is equal to integration 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon, in denominator here we have to give one x cube plus 2x square plus x here. Take x get common here. That means if you x get common, in bracket remaining here x square, here x get common remaining 2x, and this x get common remaining 1 here. That means x into x square plus 2x plus 1 in denominator term. That means integral becomes 5x square. This integral becomes 5x square plus 20x plus 6. This numerator term as it is upon, in denominator x square plus 2x plus 1, and then this is a form of x plus 1 the whole square. That means x into x plus 1 the whole square. That is the integration here. 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 the whole square dx here. Then we have to convert, this is a rational form here, converting this rational form into partial form here. That is, consider here 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 the whole square is equal to a upon x plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 the whole square here. Then we have take here, after this calculating the cross multiply, after the calculating these terms here, that is the cross multiplication. 5x square plus 20x plus 6 is equal to a into x plus 1 the whole square plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x. That is, we have to putting the first x is equal to 0, that is a upon x. That means x is equal to 0. If we are substituting x is equal to 0 here, this is here 0 plus 6 is equal to, here 0 plus 1 the whole square is 0 plus 1 is 1. That means we are a here. Here 0 0 into any term 0, here 0 0 into any term 0. That means 0 plus 0 plus 0 6 is equal to a, that is equal to a is equal to 6 here. Then next here x plus 1 here, that is x, we have to putting x is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 square is 1 minus minus 1 square is 1, that is 5 into 1 5 plus 20 into minus 1 minus 20 plus 6 here is equal to, then minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 square is 0, that means 0 into a is 0 plus minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 into b is 0, that is 0 here, plus c into minus 1 minus c here. And we have to calculate this 5 plus 6 11, 11 minus 20 is 9, 9 is equal to minus c here. Then we have to see here, after substituting x is equal to minus 1, 5 into 1 square, that is 1 minus 1 square is 1, that is 5 into 1 is 5 plus 20 into minus 1, that is minus 20 plus 6 is equal to a into x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 square is 0, that is 0 here, plus b into minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 into b is 0, plus c into minus 1 is minus c here, and the 5 plus 6 11, 11 minus 20 is minus 9, sorry it is a plus, sorry it is minus 9 is equal to minus c here. Then both side your minus minus sign get cancel, and then c is equal to 9 here. This we have to find the value of c. Then comparing the coefficient of x here on both sides, we get, if you're comparing the coefficient of both side x square, the equation become a plus b is equal to 5, and then you know the value of a here. Here a is equal to 6. Then this 6 plus b is equal to 5 here, and then b is equal to 5 minus 6. This plus 6 is shifting that side, that is a minus 6, that is equal to minus 1. That means the value of b becomes minus 1. Then substituting this a, b and c in this equation, therefore equation becomes 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 the whole square is equal to, value of a is 6, that is a 6 upon x, plus value of b is minus 1, that is a minus 1 upon x plus 1, and value of c is equal to 9 plus 9 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Then new integration form is, that is I is equal to integral 6 upon x plus minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 9 upon x plus 1 the whole square dx. Then integration becomes 6 into, separate this all, integrate 6 into d by dx of x minus integral dx upon x plus 1 plus 9 into integral dx upon x plus 1 the whole square. Then we find the integral, that is a integration 1 upon x is log of x, that is a log of mod of x, and multiply by 6, that is a 6 log of mod of x, minus 1 upon x plus 1 is log of mod of x plus 1, minus here plus 9, that is a 1 upon x plus 1 those square, and integration 1 upon x square is equal to minus 1 upon x here. That means here plus 9 into minus 1 upon 1 plus, sorry that is a x plus 1, that means plus 9 into minus 1 upon x plus 1, that is a minus 9 upon x plus 1 plus c here. That means the final answer is 6 log of mod of x minus log of mod of x plus 1 minus log of x plus 1 plus c. This we have to solve in the question, that is the integral 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x cube plus 2x square plus x is equal to 6 log of mod of x minus log of mod of x plus 1 minus 9x plus 1 plus c. This we have to solve in the question number 6. Remaining question, that is your practice question. Thank you.